In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge letters in Adobe Illustrator step by step. This is perfect if you're creating logos, custom typography, monograms, or bold text designs where you want all your letters combined into a single shape. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to properly convert text into shapes and permanently merge them together. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Once your artboard is ready, go over to the toolbar and select the Type tool. You can also press the shortcut key T on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Click anywhere on your artboard and type the word or letters that you want to merge. You can adjust the font, size, and spacing from the top control panel. If you want the letters to overlap for a cleaner merge effect, you can slightly reduce the tracking in the character panel so the letters touch or overlap each other. Once you're happy with how your text looks, the next step is very important. You need to convert the text into outlines. This basically turns your editable text into vector shapes. To do that, select your text using the selection tool, then go to the top menu and click Type and choose Create Outlines. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+O on Windows or Command+Shift+O on Mac. After doing this, your text is no longer editable as text. It is now converted into individual vector shapes for each letter. Now that your letters are outlined, make sure they are still selected. If not, click and drag over them with the selection tool to select all the letters. At this point, each letter is still its own separate shape. To merge them into one single shape, we're going to use the Pathfinder panel. Go to the top menu and click Window, then choose Pathfinder. This will open the Pathfinder panel, usually on the right side of your workspace. The Pathfinder panel contains different shape modes that allow you to combine, subtract, intersect, and divide shapes. With all your outlined letters selected, go to the Pathfinder panel and click on Unite. Unite is the first option under Shape Modes. As soon as you click Unite, Illustrator will merge all overlapping letters into one single combined vector shape. Now, instead of multiple individual letters, you have one solid object. You can confirm this by clicking on the shape and noticing it behaves as a single path. If your letters were not overlapping before using Unite, they may still technically combine into a compound shape, but remain visually separate. For the best merged effect, make sure your letters overlap slightly before creating outlines and using Pathfinder. After merging, you can change the fill color, remove the stroke, add gradients, or apply effects. Because it's now one unified shape, it's perfect for logo design, sticker designs, or cutting machines like Cricut. And that's it. That's exactly how to merge letters in Illustrator quickly and cleanly. Type your text, create outlines, open Pathfinder, and click Unite. Simple and powerful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Illustrator guides. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.